Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate destination for all things automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. If you're passionate about understanding the inner workings of your vehicle and keeping it in top-notch condition, you're in the right place. From in-depth reviews to step-by-step tutorials, we've got it all covered. Before we dive into today's video, make sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. And if you find our content helpful, consider giving us a super thanks to support the channel. Your support helps us bring you more amazing content. Let's get started. Here's a detailed guide on how to read and write Ford SID208 ECUs on the bench using the OBDSTAR X300 Classic G3. Requirements: OBDSTAR X300 Classic G3 with ECU/TCU/BCM flasher software activated. OBDSTAR DC706, optional, as it can also perform this task. P004 adapter. Internet connection to access the server. Step-by-step guide. 1. Setup and preparation. 1. Ensure software activation. Make sure the ECU/TCU/BCM flasher software on the OBDSTAR X300 Classic G3 is activated. 2. Wiring diagram. Refer to the wiring diagram for Ford Continental SID208 TC1797 provided in the OBDSTAR software. 3. Connect P004 adapter. Use the P004 adapter to connect the OBDSTAR X300 Classic G3 to the SID208 ECU. 2. Connection and data reading. 1. Select bench mode. In the OBDSTAR X300 Classic G3, navigate to ECM, then quick search for Ford Continental SID208 TC1797. Select the bench mode. 2. Enable network connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet as this function needs to access the server. 3. Connect ECU. Press Connect ECU in the software. Follow the on-screen prompts to switch the ignition on and then off using the P004 adapter. 4. Successful connection. Once the ECU is successfully connected, you can proceed with reading and writing data. 3. Reading data. 1. Read INT EEPROM. Select the option to read the internal EEPROM. Save the EEPROM data once the read process is complete. 2. Read INT flash data. Select the option to read the internal flash data. Save the flash data once the read process is complete. 4. Writing data. 1. Write INT EEPROM. Select the option to write the internal EEPROM. Load the previously saved EEPROM data or a new file if needed. 2. Write INT flash data. Select the option to write the internal flash data. Load the previously saved flash data or a new file if needed. Additional tips. Ensure correct wiring. Double-check the wiring diagram and connections to avoid any issues during the read/write process. Stable internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial as the device needs to access the server. Backup data. Always back up the original data before making any changes to the ECU. By following these detailed steps, you can effectively read and write data on the Ford SID208 ECU using the OBDSTAR X300 Classic G3. If any issues arise, refer to the OBDSTAR support or user manual for troubleshooting. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment below letting me know your thoughts or any questions you might have. Your support means the world to me and helps keep this channel going. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and share this video with fellow automobile enthusiasts. And if you really enjoyed the content, consider clicking on the super thanks button to show your support. Together, we can make the world of car diagnostics and programming a bit easier for everyone. Until next time, take care and happy diagnosing.